In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a circle outline in Canva. This is perfect for creating clean frames, badges, and simple accents that don't feel heavy on your design. We'll keep it quick and clear so you can get the result right away. Start by going to your design. If you already have a project open, great. Stay on that canvas. If not, open the design where you want the circle outline to appear so you can place it exactly where you need it. Next, add a circle shape element. Look for the Elements panel, then find Shapes, and choose the basic solid circle. If you don't see it right away, you can use the search bar and type Circle. Click once to add it to your canvas, then drag it into position. If you want to resize it, pull from a corner handle. To keep it perfectly round while resizing, hold the Shift key as you drag. Now, click the circle to select it and change its color to no color. You'll do this in the color controls at the top. Choose the option that represents no fill or transparent. The goal here is to remove the fill so the inside of the circle is see-through. If it still looks solid, make sure you actually selected the transparent or no color option rather than a white fill, which can look similar against a white background. From here, click its stroke style. Depending on your version, this may be labeled border or stroke. This is where you control the outline. If there's a toggle, make sure the stroke is turned on. You'll see settings for the look of the outline. Click a stroke type to choose how the outline should appear. You can keep it solid for a clean, classic look, or pick dashed or dotted for something more playful or technical. Once you've chosen the type, adjust the stroke weight to set the thickness. A lighter weight keeps things subtle. A thicker weight makes the outline stand out more. If you resize the circle later and the outline feels too thin or too heavy, revisit the same control and nudge the weight until it looks balanced at the new size. That's it. You now have a clean circle outline. If the outline isn't showing, double check that the circle is selected, the fill is set to no color, and the stroke is enabled. For alignment, use the built-in guides to center your circle on the page or relative to other elements. With these simple adjustments, you can quickly create polished circle outlines that fit any layout.